Hi, I'm Brett Elliott, medical herbalist and energy healer. And if somebody you know or yourself is suffering from a physical, mental or emotional illness or stress of some kind, then unconditional energy healing could be just the thing for you. So it's based on the book Unconditional Energy Healing, the effortless self-healing method. And it doesn't matter what your background, what your faith, whether you're a scientist, a religious believer, or an atheist, this method is guaranteed to work. For example, think of the sun. It doesn't matter what you believe. If you go out in the sun, you're going to receive sunshine. And gravity is another great example. It's unconditional. It doesn't care who you are, what you think, what you believe. It applies to you the same. It applies to everybody exactly the same. It is the same with healing energy. Everything we do is explained step by step using simple, understandable laws of physics and scientific principles. But we also use a lot of hands-on experience, intuitive human senses and feelings to help to guide us through this healing process. The real trick to applying healing energy in an unconditional way is to understand the basic fundamental laws of energy flow and energy exchange. What exactly is the energy? Where does it come from? What are the laws that govern its flow? How do we connect with it? And how do we open the channels within ourselves to get this energy to flow? All of those things will be explained, and we do it in a scientific way, but we also do it in a wonderful experiential way where you get hands-on practical exercises to learn and realize what this energy is and how available it is to us and the power that it has to heal us. And we also explain how it works on the body internally and how it actually triggers growth and healing, and also how it reactivates and upgrades the DNA in our body, which is a new area of science which is fascinating. So all of these things you'll gain during the workshop. This is a universal method and it uses a universal healing energy. And all I really do in this workshop is give you the basic fundamental principles and laws on how this energy moves, how you can tap into it, and how you can use it to heal your body. And you receive a workshop manual with a series of questions that you can answer as you go through the 2-day workshop. And you'll also receive a copy of the book, and we will share some information on how the herbs and foods can heal your body as well. And I'll share some of those herbs and foods with you over the 2 days. So if you or somebody you know is suffering with a mental, emotional or physical stress or illness, then the unconditional healing method could be just the thing for you. So I hope this inspires you to take the next step on your healing journey, and you come and join us for the 2 days, and you'll walk away with a whole new outlook on the power and the potential of energy for healing yourself. Thanks for watching.